con la lavada. Hey. Hey. Yo, what's good, everybody? Today is Weenie Fest Day. We did, like always, last minute prep. We're gonna take my girl's car to Weenie Fest, not taking the hatch. Drive's fine and everything, but kind of getting tired of the no bumper kind of look, so I'm let it settle for this one. But drive's good. I'm gonna have to make another video of some stuff I did to it that, man, car's a headache. But yeah, it's like really 9 in the morning, rolling time 9:45, so yeah, just getting the car ready. Serio, fool?
Yeah.
All I need is a GoPro, but this phone is nice. Look at that, crystal clear. You can see the bird stain on your... Nah, I'm talking shit. Alright, let's get dry. This thing's, I'm hungry.
What the fuck?
Don't stall out, fool. Don't stall out, fool. Nah, we're getting some McDonald's in the meantime. Hold on, my boy from Arizona. I probably shouldn't zoom into that. I'll probably get freaking them. Guys, I thought it was a myth when they're talking about this stuff. Look, he has half of a blinker fluid level. Son of a bitch. No wonder he didn't blink when he came in here. Look, that one's empty. Look, you can see it. Look at the water level, right? Put that finger. Whoa.
Still runs.
You can see it. Oh, no. Damn. Hey! Hopefully it's not too packed. Damn, the street's all fucked up. We're scraping everywhere. Oh, oh, oh! Oh! Fuck! Ow! So what a bit. Oh fuck, we're getting backed up already. Nah, I think we alright. I think we're good. Damn, son! So, my girlfriend's right. We're supposed to take a different direction. But it's all good, guys, because technically we didn't come in early. Technically. Hey, hey, hey. Oh shit.
Oh, see, you know, I thought they were gonna come in through.
Yeah, I'm surprised. This is the first year I've seen it where they actually have like some other styles. Usually they have like just nothing but imports, but yeah, I see the Corvette. I mean, it's still a lot of like import, but. Oh fuck! Damn, there's some nicer stuff out here. Oh shit. Oh shit. Got a little spot.
Hey, when does it end?
McDonald's. What's up?
When does it end?
I'm not sure. Some pretty freaking clean cars out here. But probably gonna eat our breakfast real quick and then walk around and see what's out here. But yeah, it looks like a pretty good turnaround.
Oh, they moved it.
Colleen. I'm not a big record guy, but I must say, this bit look clean. Oh, dude. Oh, this is wet. Oh my god. Mine cannot compare. This is nice. Yo, I'm jelly. I'm not even gonna cap. I'm freaking jelly. This thing is a beautiful ass car. Oh my god, the interior is immaculate. Man. Damn. This thing's so nice. God, I love this front end. That's sick. Is that a... No, stupid? Damn. Nice setup. I think it has that Chase Bays radio, or looks like it at least. I'm not sure.
Hey Tony, you better build your motor.
Looks good though. With the right wire? I don't know what this is, yo, but I'll fuck with it. It's like a big body build. I like me a big body. What is this? PL? I don't know what it is. Sounds nice though. Well, not something. It looks nice.
Hey, can't lie, the front looks like a Chrysler.
Imagine. And there's still people pulling up. There's gonna be a lot of cars. I'm gonna just try to get the ones that at least showing the most. But some of them have like engine-based flows, so I want to get some good snapshots. But so far, I think it's a pretty nice event. Turned out pretty nice.
What color that he chose?
This is something I've never seen. Look, he molded an Integra bumper with an EK bumper.
I've seen that.
That's crazy. I don't know. That's pretty tight. It reminds me of SIR. That's pretty sick. What? That was down. I fuck with it. Boy, you can fit a whole ass baby in those lips. Damn. A Sonic car? Hey. No way. Bro, someone give me a chair. I'm finna chill here. Bro, acting all nervous and shit. Just show me your car, dude. I know you want to. It's actually pretty dope. I like the headlights. They're nice.
I think they like Sonic.
I think his favorite character is Knuckles. I'm assuming, but that's just a thought. Not in a bad way, but is this fully carbon or is it wrapped? I can't tell. It looks good. Oh no, this is wrapped. I can tell. Okay, honestly, not in a bad way, but I can see. Cause like if it was like wrapped, you'd be able to see like more of like actual like clear coat weave. Still pretty cool. I fuck with it. Hey, what is it, like Maxima? I don't even know, to be honest, but it looks tight. VIP build. This is sick. Ooh, nice. God damn. Oh, I didn't know that. I mean, look, they make freaking block off plates from Downstar. That's sick.
Have to get them for the
Bro, how do you even engrave that? What the? That's dope. Harness comes up from the bottom. Damn, it's 10 radiator. That's dope. This is nice. I wonder where they engraved it, like where they did all this stuff. Okay, cluster. Oh, dude, now that's a properly flocked dash. That's nice. Even the door panels look, everything. God damn. That's sick. With the clears, damn, makes me miss my AG.
cars for sale.
Not for sale. How much? How much?
DM for more info.
Oh man. Oh fuck, I like the door panels. They're like aluminum. Oh, the whole rear end. Damn. That's sick. Sheesh. Big wing gang. Feel me? This is bad though. Look at the door panels. Yes it is, buddy. I think it is. Bro, SR seats. Yo, that's sick. Man, I love EFs. Whoa. Damn, son. Damn, it's wild though. Golly. I don't understand where people find this stuff, man. Like, Jesus.
These are clean ACPs.
Wet. Wet. People be saying K is the way, y'all, but I don't know. I love me a good B series. Never failed. Single cam gang. That's hard. Oh, this is clean. Oh, that's the Omni little gate down there. I've never seen Recars this color. I'm not a fan of tan, but I like this a lot. You guys haven't noticed, there's a lot of nothing but clean Hondas. I'm trying to get other cars too, but no one's really like popping their base with other cars, so it's kind of hard. But pretty sick. This is why I hate having such a small engine bay, because they have so much room. It looks like so much more empty. Wet. Nah, freaking screw. Sheesh, boy. What that tire do? That one? Oh, I think I seen that on IFO. That's tight. That's tight. Look at that strut bar setup. I've never seen those headlights before. Crazy. Some tracked out stuff right here, boy. That's nice. Oh, with the hard top? I didn't realize that. That's clean. Whoever did that setup got down. It's all the way down there. Oh my god. That's sick. Oh, you can see the amps. Oh, that's clean. I don't even know what air setup it is, but I like it. Boy, it's tucking.
Almost said, fuck my tags.
Son, I'm not trying to put you out here, son, but
Got it.
at least get them tags straight. We don't want us getting impounded now. That's just clean though. Bro, no disrespect. Why is it all the cleanest cars here? And none of them got tags.
Because they're not legal.
Y'all, probably because of the smog or something, but bro, let me know. Let me know. I got a guy. Hey! Nah, these things are nice though. Like stupid nice. God, I love this 180. It's so clean. Nah, this paint job is something different. This thing go, yeah, I was saying this thing go crazy. Freaking crazy, man. It's crazy. Talk about camber. That's crazy, yo. Mad tilt. This is some drift spec type shit. Yep. Oh, another bag taking. I can't wait till you do my brothers. Come on, Jaime, slacking, bro.
This one's suave.
See, I don't know about BMW, so if it says BMW, Lex, talk to me, bro.
No, look at it.
Oh shit. So I don't know if you're stock or if you're stock or both of you aren't. So whatever you guys did, fooled me, all right. Oh my god, bro. See, at the end of the day, if someone asked me what I prefer of imports or like muscle, whatever, bro, import all day. Japan is where it be at. No cap. I mean, you can't even take away the look of older cars, dude. They just look so good. No offense to newer cars, but all the 90s be taking the W out here. Just saying. Who's gay ass Integra? Nah. Gosh, what I'm saying is out of all the cars here,
Mine's the cleanest.
my boy can pick up any girl in this whip. Y'all don't even got none on my motherfucker right here, bro. This boy said pull up. Gas saver, drop top, right hand drive. Yeah. Got on my homie right here, bro. And none of y'all shit on this fool.
Where you at, bro?
Bro, I'm finna drop my CRV on God. Nah.
Off-road, you drop.
Do a lift kit?
Fucking best.
This is sick. Chaser? wet. I don't know what those plates say, but that's cool. Camera gang. Whoa.
That kid just really.
Imagine, straight get stabbed.
That's the first I've ever seen that.
I'm gonna dance to it.
That's the first I've ever seen that.
Ora. That's new. Oh, yep.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Size 8 tip. Nah, oh stupid. What the heck happened to the license plate?
I'm gonna catch a check.
I don't know what kind of wing this is. Reminds me of like some Japan shit. Hey.
I want one of those little fat dudes.
Hey. Hey. What the? I think he's sneezing. Say
That's
bless you,
some
bitch.
kind of-
Oh, damn.
That's some dangerous sneezing.
Damn, the lens keeps getting fogged. That's wet. I think it's called what is it? Ruckus? Is that what they're called? I'm not sure. That's sick though. I don't know if that's called a snorkel or something, but wet. Damn, bro. What y'all do for a living? Let me know. I need these kind of setups out here. Even JDM, but I like it. This is tight, dude. This is sick.
Yeah, it's 69 is original. No, it's 69,000.
Is this 69,000 miles? Looks like it.
Oh, even has,
What the? I don't know what that is, but that's nice.
even has the original fucking paper. Do you know how much you pay for it?
Oh, no way. Bro, this is clean. I would so rock this truck instead.
10.7.
No.
10 G's for this.
For real? Oh, what the fuck? Yo, I'm not trying to throw this guy's info, but that's nice. This is a sexy ass truck. Clean. Oh, yep. That's crazy. I didn't believe when he says things on the fucking ground. Fucking J? I know. That shit's on the fucking. Oh, fuck. Damn, homeboy wasn't kidding. He's almost on the fucking ground.
I've seen these cars fucking dumb for it.
That's crazy. Damn, I'd be scared to drive with that lip. Bro, who did that paint job? I know that ain't no AutoZone. Whoa. Whoa. This is sick though. Oh look, that's your fuel though. Oh look, it does use a stock regulator. Colleen. Colleen. Hybrid shifter. Gang. That's how it be. That's how you do it. Spoon wheels. Spoon brakes. Yep. That's how you gotta do it. Whoa. What, tickets?
Hot Wheels.
I wonder what kind of lights that dude got.
What the fuck?
What kind of car is that? What the fuck? Hey, the Batmobile? I fuck with it.
One of my grandpa's favorite cars.
Fucking shit. That's wet as fuck. I'm not even gonna cap. This might be a dumb question, but do they connect this from factory with the butterfly doors?
No, I
I don't know. I've never seen it. Oh, what the hell's on bags? That's a nice setup. Just, yeah, it's just there. This is a Kia? Oh, that's a Kia. What the fuck? God damn. My Honda's louder. I'll set on. Chomp, 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 chomp. They Nigga, fuck. The calipers is not even the size of my hand. Crazy. Hey. What the fuck? Homie has a flat screen in that shit. Oh shit. That's hard. That's actually pretty badass. I won't even lie. Did you see the fucking the screen?
You said it goes right there.
Hey.
Don't you play this game? You from another land.
That's bad. I'm not gonna lie. That's pretty bad. That's sick. I mean, I'm not a big electric guy, but this is pretty hard. That fool said, put the subs right behind me, dog. I want to hear everything. I want to hear everything. That's sick. The homie Matt's watching this. Bro, I don't know if this is the one you like. This bitch is nice. Oof, with the 6-speed, this thing is wet. I mean wet, wet. Damn. It is clean, yo. Pretty sure it is. I don't know Beamers like that, but it's nice. It's M3. This is sick. They got him. They got him. Hey, imagine someone just fuck this. Bro, they straight went on eBay and took everything. No cap.
my ethanol sensor.
Oh, I love NSXs. They never get old. I love them. Babe, pee pills are always done right. All I'm saying, guys, if I ever get a kid or kids, this is what's gonna happen right here. Hey, babe, when we have kids.
Fuck no, we're not getting an Odyssey. I'm sorry.
Nah. Oh, crazy, huh? Oh, damn. This is bad, though. I like it. This is nice. We're doing it. We're doing it. I'm still doing it. This is sick. My kid's gonna be like, air that shit out. I'm be like, got you, bro. Motherfucking Godzilla. Bro, there's like an 80-year-old man driving that. Life goals.
Hey, this one.
Not in a bad way, but I like this one. I like how the lip flows.
No, I know, but like, the king ass color.
Bro, that man's doing it. You know he's retiring good. Yeah. That's sick. I goes hard. Haven't seen one of those in a minute. Is that those penis things?
What's smaller?
That's hard. You're right, babe. Look like you're. Oh fuck. She said her shift now came on. It's okay, guys. So, babe, how's the meet so far? Pretty chill, huh? Might go home already though. It's hot. You've seen all the cars already.
And I'm hungry.
Well, the footage hasn't seen the cars, but I'm not gonna record every single car.
Did you at least get the Sylvia over there?
Yeah, I got those over there. Those are bad, but
The cool cars.
nah, Weenie Fest is pretty cool. It's pretty good turnout, but Still got some other stuff to do today. And I gotta go take.
Subscribe.
No, I don't know if I'm gonna end it yet. I might go walk around one more time.
Fuck that.
Nah, I don't know. I'll see right now.
Oh, fuck. I walked around. I didn't do my homework. Hella dumb. Let's walk around a couple times.
Bro. Found this bitch ass. Look at that fool. Can't even see it. Oh, fuck. Let's see if I can get on this side. This motherfucker has spinners. Hey. They like SpongeBob. Hey! Ah, that's funny. Looks cool though. Damn, they got SpongeBob everywhere in this motherfucker. My eyes deceive me? Can't see the axles, bro. I can't even see the axles, bro. I can't see no axles though. Can you see them? Oh fuck! I see the axles. These niggas is crazy.
I see it.
Yeah. It's all-wheel drive. Straight fucking welded a skateboard wheel.
It looks like a, you know what it is? It's a beer bottle. Don't touch it.
A beer bottle?
Yeah, look at it. It's a bottle cap.
Oh, what the hell? I didn't even notice that.
Looks like a Corona.
Modelo. And just like that, we out. There's a good amount of cars, but we basically saw all of them already. I don't know how much footage. I probably didn't get that much footage, but it's all good. So hopefully no one blocks the passageway. Whoa! Yeah, I'm surprised. It's pretty nice. Nice driving. Good cinematic photos. And just like that, we out. That was a pretty fun meet. Pretty chill. A lot of cars showed up. And we're back home. What's up, little bitch? Well, that's a turn of the event. Big, what happened? You were just at a show.
Yeah, what the fuck happened, babe?
You tell me. This is your car. We were
You
just at.
gave me the parts yesterday.
Oh my god, man. Blaming me for not putting in her radio.
No, for not bringing the parts. That's what I'm blaming you for.
Well, I didn't say 3 to 5 days.
Business days.
No, that was after the show. We decided to do a radio because the other one she had
Just
in.
fucking broke it. Nah, just kidding.
Her other setup was for questioning. So yeah, we're just gonna put a radio bezel back in, and then after that, probably end the video.
Let's show them the result, though.
As I said, once it's done.
Okay.
Jesus.
No.
Alright, just like that, boom, it's in. The radio does not sit good at all with this kit. And then this is the only kit we found. Like, if you push it forward, it'll sit good. But this is a part number for it. It's a Metra 957841. And it fits, I mean, pretty decent, like the outside. But the back, the radio's not long enough.
Ha.
That fits a lot more flush now, guys. So it turns out we didn't even need the foam. You don't think you can see the little 2 screws down there, but no bother.
Who cares? Your teeth.
Yeah. So it actually fits flush now. So what I figured out is there's some brackets. You can see them right here.
It's not wobbling
They
no more.
slide in right here with the tab that goes on the bottom.
It's gonna hit all the bumps.
Yeah. So same part number and everything. Turns out it's actually pretty good. Oh, we were talking shit before. Nah, but it's a little bracket that screws on the bottom, and then you basically have to cut off almost all the tabs.
The instructions are ass.
Yeah, we had to kind of finish our own, but if you use that part number, the one I showed you on the screen for the DA, there's a bunch of other models too, like Integras and all that stuff, but this one specifically worked for the DA good because the one we used previously didn't work. but it clicks in the whole bezel right here like nicely, really good. As you guys can see, it's really flush. And then from there, like I said, there's gonna be a bracket in the bottom.
Oh, this one you can use for your car too, babe.
And then there's gonna be some side tabs right here that slide in. Cut them all off. I use some screws to go into the radio, and bro, solid.
What year is your CRV?
Mine's a all CRV. I don't know, but yeah. And that's gonna end the video now. Are you pleased on this?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Sorry.
All right. Well, I don't know how much footage I got from WEENIE Fest, but I'm assuming it's a decent amount. Hoping I did some good footage, because I don't know. I just got whatever I thought. Not I thought looked nice, but caught my eye. Respectfully. Respectfully. But yeah, peace out.